This 2001 Nissan Maxima that I'm working on it. There's a p0505 code in this car. They replaced the idle air control valve in this car. It did not fix it. They thought it's a bad sensor or valve. They put another one. It didn't fix it. They brought it to me. I checked the wiring and I was trying to use my scanner. My scanner in this typical car doesn't work because it does not have that bi-directional system. I can't control anything, but I checked the wiring come from the computer. 2 red wires and middle wires, 2 red wires have power. They should have power when we cycle the key. The way the system works is the ground side switch. At computer ground, the power comes from the idle air control, and the power goes to the idle air control, sending power to the computer. Computer ground it and goes and open the switch. And we're gonna find out is that the computer problem. The 4 control wires has a negative. I can hook this scanner and check it with the scope, see if there is a fluctuation in the waveform, or I can do this. I can have my test light hook it to the positives and cycle the key, see if the ground and the computer grounded, and just let it, the light flicker and turns on. That's showing me the computer is just doing his work and sending a negative to the power and just turn it on and off. They already did the sensor replacement. I'm assuming there's wiring issue or a short to ground, and we're gonna figure it out what's going on. All right, for this test I'm gonna use my test light and multimeter to check the battery voltage on the sensor. We should have a battery voltage. First I want to hook it to ground and check that 2 red wire, see if we get any power coming through that wire. I'm gonna turn the key to the on position and have it. Alright, I'm gonna use a T-pin and just connect the back hook to the red wires and see if we can get power to this. I put the T-pin behind the red. I don't know if you guys catch it or not. Power here. Yep. First one has power. I'm gonna go to the next one. This one has power too. Alright, now I'm going to change to the ground side of the control wires. I'm going to plug this to the positive. I'm going to plug this to the positive and test it, see if this comes on and off. Nothing. Yeah, I'm not getting any ground whatsoever. I'm gonna make sure test another one. There is 4 control wires comes to this sensor, and I can check all of them. Let's see what's going on. If I'm getting any ground to one of these. Nothing. Cycle the key. See if it does anything. Nope. Nothing. I can see why it's not working, because this connector is damaged. I don't know if you guys can catch it or not. And look at the connector inside the connector. Just look at it. They pulled the wire from the back. They pull the wire. As you guys saw, the connector has a severe damage. The internal pin pulled out, 2 of them, and I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna change that connector, put a new connector on it, and then run the test. I'm not sure that's gonna fix it or not, but I have to fix that connector to be able to run it, test properly to see what's going on, if that fixed the problem or not. But that's showing me exactly someone worked in this car. They pushed that connector hard with some tools or something without removing the bracket, and they damaged the connector. And we will see. I will find the connector, install it, and then we will come back for doing more tests, see what we can do. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked this video. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more video like this.